Okay, hi guys. Wow, we're akong nag-DJ. Anyway, so good evening. We're here at Bible Baptist Church, Katipunan, and we are so busy making our giveaways. And we are here. Eto kami ngayon. And this is Jessa, my groupmate. Hi! And that's Jafia from Group 8 and my co-leader for... Hi! We have here... Okay. Hi, Princess. Say hi to our documentation. This is gonna be... Hi! This is Ate Jovi.
Very nice lagi.
This is for Pastor Apollos. Pastor. And guys, say hi. Documentation. Did not introduce me for the documentation. So, eto, this is Group 8. Group 8! Hey, Group 8! Okay. So, English Group 4. English only, guys. Kasi may mga Tagalog, you know.
Ay, Tagalog!
Okay, so look, these are their plans for the upcoming Congress activities, you know?
Wow!
Activities! Hindi siya activities, activities.
Taga-abuse.
Okay, so this is jingle without bells. So, okay, punta tayo sa next na group. Guys, say hi guys for the documentation. This is Group 5 registration area. That's Casey. So yes, ang busy nila ngayon. Ay, hi, sorry Tabel. What are you doing? Nothing. Oh, this is for the documentation. This is Christabel. Okay, so we're going here. Sa next area. Okay, this is Group 1. Guys, say hi for the documentation sa Congress. Oh, si AJ. That's AJ. Oh.
Hi!
Ito, so, what are you guys doing?
We're making giveaways.
What's that, AJ?
This is for to cast out evil spirits.
Oh, no. Well, seriously.
This is bag tag for our bag.
Bag tag for their bag. Sige, see, I'm busy nila. They're so busy. Yeah. What are you guys making?
We're making for our what do you call this? This is for frame. Yeah, frame.
Picture frame. So yes, guys, as you can see, we are all busy for the upcoming Congress. So say bye, everyone.
Bye!
Bye. Bye,
That's
everyone.
1 minute!
Bye, guys.